Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show that how to quick charge your device. For quick charging your device, you have to go to settings, then click to connection and turn on flight mode. If you turn on flight mode, then charge your device. You will get quick charging on your device, and you have another tricks to charge your device fast. For fasting charge your device, you have to turn off or power off your device. If you power off your device, your charge will be get very speed, very fast. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.